Today we're taking a look at the new PimCore 6. First, we'll go through the new technical items PimCore 6 has adopted from the new Symfony framework. In the latest version of PimCore, PimCore 6, the main feature is how the system goes very fast because earlier versions of PimCore have some codes that are not up to the industry standards. Thus, they have checked each and every section of PimCore, and they've made it upgradable to the other versions of the Symfony. As we know, Symfony 4 is a very fast and very good framework in PHP. So they've cleaned the code, made it fast, and made it ready to adopt any new kind of off-technology integration with PimCore so that it's a fresh feature of PimCore 6 that will make things very quick and easy. No, there will be no database structure changes. They have the same structure, but it's the optimization of their database layer, so a new developer won't feel like anything has been drastically changed in PimCore 6. Basically, the wrapper of the database has been improved. The doctrine has also been improved, so many things that have been automated have been refined. Let me give you a comparison. Basically, if you just installed the vanilla versions of PimCore 5 and PimCore 6, you will see a significant improvement in the loading time of PimCore 6. For example, if PimCore 5 takes 5 seconds to load a page, PimCore 6 can easily handle that same request in 3 seconds. So overall, yes, a very significant improvement can be really noticed when we have a large application, when speed matters. Yes, so again, if we're talking about the vanilla versions, PimCore 6 is a very safe upgrade. It's also very easy to migrate any application that's in the latest 5.8 or 5.7 version to the PimCore 6. Definitely if you're talking about 5.1, it has some changes that need to be incorporated in different ways. But if we're talking about the 5.7 and 5.8 versions, it's a very easy transition. As you can see, after hitting the login, the interface loads quickly. It's in My Local System. It hardly takes more than 2 or 3 seconds to load. This version of PimCore has all the CMS features. Take a look at some of the things incorporated in the CMS area, like having to just click on Home and the home page opens quickly and you find the toolbar there. They changed the patterns and made it look good compared to what it was, and it feels much more understandable, easily viewable, and the UI prospect is great. They also changed the button icons, so they're very intuitive, as well as having some new features. Small features, but they're very helpful for an editor who's working on the site. Just take, for example, our different editable areas. They have given a highlighter button that was also in the previous version, but it's easier to identify. So when you click it, you can easily identify what you need and edit quickly. Also, they give us the feature that allows you to flash all the content here back in your site, so you can just click and clean up everything from this view. Previous versions had issues that were unprofessional and not user-friendly. They're making upgrades to fix these issues, so you can easily add to sections with just a drag and drop. And their previews are also very fast. We have desktop and tablets. This works well on both. Other new features include an upgraded documents section and a new section in terms of objects. So currently they have different tabs in English and German that have been given the feature of being able to be arranged horizontally, vertically, left and right. So let's say in the news you want to make the tab position from top to left, right to bottom. It can be easily done. So in this way you can manage your UI work easily. Let's look at the UTF-8 encoding standards for the naming of these kind of objects and documents. So depending on how you want to name it or in what language, it supports many characters for a large variety of languages. Also available are more filter options. So if we have a listing and we want some extractors, we can get the values. As you can see, I can get these images and format easily, then apply the changes. They also have added a PHP Code Operator so it can be customized. This is the list of view of objects. Just click it and you can check under that folder. It's been in that format and it works to easily share it that way. And in this way, it's easier to define things. These are the basics of new features that are introduced here in the new PimCore.